cheapest EVs you can buy today. Switching to an electric vehicle EV no longer means breaking the bank or compromising on quality. Affordable electric vehicle choices have exploded onto the market as technology develops fast, and automakers face more competition, therefore facilitating the adoption of sustainable driving. Although EVs were originally considered a luxury only for the rich, today's scene presents reasonably priced vehicles combining affordability, utility, design, and cutting-edge technologies. From little city vehicles to roomy family SUVs, the range of reasonably priced electric vehicles guarantees something for every driver. These cars show that environmentally friendly travel does not have to be expensive. More people are jumping to electric transportation as government incentives and growing infrastructure for charging sweetens the bargain. Examining 7 of the most reasonably priced EVs available right now, this guide highlights their unique qualities, performance, and economy of cost. There's a reasonably priced EV ready to fit your demands, whether you're driving as family-oriented, tech-savvy adventure, or urban commuter. Prepared to watch how reasonably priced electric cars are changing the market? Let's dig into the lineup altering our perceptions about EV ownership. 1. Affordable pioneer, Nissan Leaf. Having been among the first mass-market electric vehicles, the Nissan Leaf is a dependable and reasonably priced choice for anyone entering the EV scene. Starting at about $28,000 before incentives, the Leaf provides great value, especially for everyday commuters and urban drivers. With a 40 kilowatt-hour battery, the base model has a range of about 149 miles, perfect for daily commuting and short getaways. The Leaf Plus provides a 62 kilowatt-hour battery for people requiring extra range, therefore covering 212 miles. Modern technologies abound in the Leaf, including e-pedal for regenerative braking and Pro Pilot Assist for semi-autonomous driving, so improving both efficiency and ease. Small families would find the inside roomy and pleasant. Budget-conscious consumers searching for a well-rounded and environmentally friendly electric vehicle still find the Nissan Leaf to be a top choice because of its proven dependability, market history, and reasonable pricing point. The Leaf is a great choice whether your everyday commuter needs dependability or you're new to electric driving. 2. Chevrolet Bolt EV, range champion for less. Outstanding in the reasonably priced electric vehicle market, the Chevrolet Bolt EV presents an amazing mix of range and pricing. Driven by a 65 kilowatt-hour battery priced around $30,000 with federal tax incentives, offers an amazing 259 miles of range on one charge. For drivers who need economy and utility, this range distinguishes the Bolt EV from other cars in its price range. Along with a 200 horsepower electric powertrain, the Bolt EV offers quick and efficient, fun, zippy driving experience. Inside, the Bolt EV has roomy cabin with contemporary conveniences, including Android Auto connectivity and Apple CarPlay. To help guarantee a safer driving experience, it also provides cutting-edge safety technology, including lane keeping assist and forward collision warning. The Bolt EV is revolutionary in the reasonably priced EV market for consumers searching for a reasonably priced electric car with long-range capability and exceptional performance. 3. Compact style at a low-cost Mini Cooper SE. Starting in the low $30,000 range, the Mini Cooper SE presents a trendy and small electric vehicle choice with a luxury feel. City people and urban commuters who value both enjoyment and utility will find it perfect since of its modest scale and energetic driving dynamics. Driven by a 32.6 kilowatt-hour battery, the Mini Cooper SE has a shorter range, 114 miles, than other rivals. But because to its 181 horsepower engine, which guarantees rapid acceleration and nimble handling, its energetic driving experience more than offsets this. Mini's emphasis on quality is demonstrated inside by first-rate materials, a digital display, and simple controls for convenience of use. Though its range is small, the Mini Cooper SE is a terrific option for those looking for a mix of performance, iconic design, and price. It's unique in the small EV market since it's ideal for people who give driving enjoyment and style first priority above mileage. 4. Hyundai Kona. Electric, sporty SUV. Perfectness in size. With a starting price under $35,000 before incentives, the Hyundai Kona Electric is a reasonably priced choice for those looking for a small electric SUV. With a 64 kilowatt-hour battery, the Kona Electric offers a reasonable range of 258 miles, which makes it a sensible option for both longer travels and city driving. Although its tiny size makes maneuvering in metropolitan settings simple, it offers enough room for small families. Inside, the Kona Electric boasts modern safety features, including blind spot monitoring and adaptive cruise control, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration on a 10.25-inch touchscreen. For consumers searching for a reasonably priced, feature-rich electric SUV, Hyundai's dependability reputation, and the Kona Electric's robust warranty appeal. The Kona Electric is a unique alternative in the expanding EV market since it finds the ideal mix between range, practicality, and price, whether you're a preferred daily driver or a family-friendly electric vehicle. 5. Tesla Model 3. Innovation and reasonably affordable luxury. Offering luxury and innovative technology at a reasonable price, Tesla's Model 3 has created waves in the EV industry. Priced around at $40,000 before incentives, the Standard Range Plus variant is among the most reasonably priced models available from Tesla. Supported by Tesla's vast supercharger network for simple long-distance driving, it claims an amazing range of 272 miles on a single charge. Large touchscreen controlling Tesla's innovative software, including over-the-air upgrades and the autopilot system. The interior is simple but high-tech. For those looking for quality amenities without breaking the budget, the Model 3 is unique because of its mix of range, performance, and inventiveness. The Model 3 has a special value proposition in the packed EV market with its access to Tesla's ecosystem, which includes autonomous driving technologies and supercharger stations. In the current scene of electric vehicles, the Tesla Model 3 is still a remarkable choice for consumers seeking a mix of cost, performance, and luxury. 6. Volkswagen ID. 4. Economical family crossover. Starting around $40,000 before incentives, the Volkswagen ID. 4 is a sensible and reasonably priced electric crossover. Perfect for daily commuting as well as longer travels, it has an 82 kilowatt-hour battery and a remarkable range of up to 275 miles in the Pro variant. Built with families in mind, the ID.4 offers a roomy interior with lots of cargo space to guarantee passenger comfort and adaptability for different demands. Its user-friendly infotainment system, wireless smartphone connection, and advanced safety features including adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assist tech aficionados will love. For those looking for a reasonably priced family electric vehicle without sacrificing performance or features, the ID.4 is one of the best options because of its mix of range, utility, and price. Anyone wishing to transition to electric without compromising space or convenience would find this to be a great choice. 7. Chevrolet Bolt European utility and features. Extensive on the success of the Bolt EV, the Chevrolet Bolt EUV electric utility vehicle presents for consumers a somewhat bigger and more flexible choice. Priced like its cousin, the Bolt EUV offers a range of 247 miles using its 65 kilowatt-hour battery, which makes it a sensible option for many different driving purposes. With more back leg room than the Bolt EV, the Bolt EUV is notable for its roominess. Families or others needing greater passenger comfort will find this to be a great choice. Super Cruise, GM's semi-autonomous driving system, which lets hands-free driving on suitable highways, is among its most fascinating aspects. Finally, the reasonably priced EV market has never been more varied, giving consumers an amazing array of choices that strike a mix of cost, performance, and environmental conscience. There is an EV to meet every budget and way of life, from the trusty Nissan Leaf to the opulent Tesla Model 3. These vehicles are not only changing our perspective on electric driving, but also increasing accessibility to common consumers. Affordable EVs have something for everyone, whether your taste is for a performance-driven model, roomy family SUV, or small city car. Future electric mobility is bright and within grasp with incentives, growing infrastructure, and battery technology improvements. Thus, this is the ideal moment to welcome the electric revolution if you are ready to move to a greener, cleaner method of driving. Let us know in the comments what you think about the cheapest EVs you can buy today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more captivating content on our YouTube channel.